Welcome back to Coding Immersion Journey, where we explore the common concepts in C, C++, Java, and Python in a single video. Today, we're diving into functions, one of the core building blocks of programming. Functions help us organize code, avoid repetition, and make programs more efficient. Imagine you're baking a cake. Instead of rewriting the steps for mixing ingredients every time, you create a recipe and reuse it. That's exactly how functions work in programming. Let's explore how they are used in C, C++, Java, and Python. What is a function? A function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we define a function once and call it whenever needed. Functions help in code reusability, no need to write the same logic repeatedly. Better readability, code becomes cleaner and structured. Easy debugging, fixing issues becomes simpler. Now, let's see how functions are implemented in C, C++, Java, and Python. In C programming, functions are defined using a return type, function name, and parameters inside curly braces. Here's a simple example in C. Function prototypes must be declared before calling the function unless it is defined before main. Functions in C++. Moving to C++, functions work similarly to C, but with added support for function overloading, where multiple functions can have the same name but different parameters. Here's the same function in C++. Key differences in C++ uses count instead of printf. Supports function overloading. Supports default parameters. Functions in Java. In Java, functions are called methods because they belong to classes. Every method must be inside a class. Here's an example: methods must be inside a class. Uses system.out.println instead of print or count. Functions in Python. Functions are simpler. No need for return types or special keywords. Key differences in Python: uses def keyword to define functions. No need for data types. Indentation instead of curly braces. So, we've seen how functions work in C, C++, Java, and Python. C uses function prototypes and printf. C++ supports function overloading. Java, functions, methods, are inside classes. Python uses def with no need for data types. Functions help simplify code, improve reusability, and make debugging easier. In the next video, we'll explore function parameters and return types in these four languages. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which language do you prefer for functions? Let me know. See you in the next video.